Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very quick install video of a seat cowl on my 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. The install basically involves removing a passenger pillion with a grab bar and replacing it with a new cowl. So let's quickly take a look at how to remove the stock passenger seat and the grab bar and get the cowl installed. Alright guys, so to remove a passenger pillion, basically just insert the key in the key lock right here, turn it, pops right up, and out, and the pillion is removed. That's really it. Now the next step, what we have to do is we have to remove these 4 bolts that are holding this grab bar. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, the bolts are out. Let's go ahead and remove the grab bar. Alright guys, so now is the interesting part. If you look closely here, you'll see these metal spacers where the grab bar was. So these are short and these 2 are long. Now the kit comes, hopefully I can focus, with the shorter metal spacers that go in the front. The manual, interestingly, doesn't really talk a whole lot other than saying, okay, you have to remove the stock seat, you have to remove a couple of bolts to get this thing lifted up. It seems like there's a bit more steps than just removing the seat and these 2 bolts. It looks like you actually have to remove a bit of fasteners to get this sort of lifted up to get to these metal washers to get them replaced with shorter ones. Now, I'm just gonna try and see if I can muscle these out without removing any additional bolts and stuff. So let's see if that's possible, and if not, then we'll continue to removing bolts and washers and other things in order to get to these metal spacers. Alright guys, so as you saw, with a little bit of elbow grease, I was able to pry these up enough to muscle the metal washers out, and that's it. So saved me probably about 15-20 minutes removing all these other bolts and getting this plastic trim up. Alright, so it's very doable, as you saw. Alright, so let's get 4 new bolts in and get the cowl on. Another quick note, the metal washers that were originally here under the grab bar, you do have to reuse them. So alright guys, the bolts are in. One quick last note on this. If you look under the passenger seat, you'll see there's actually a screwdriver here, right? So just get this thing removed and install it under the new cowl, and you're good to go. Alright guys, so this is where the screwdriver handle and the screwdriver itself go in the new cowl. Alright, and to install it, couldn't be any simpler. You see the 2 hooks, they go right here, and just align the 2 holes was this. And that's it. Alright guys, so that was a quick and easy install of a seat cowl on my 25 Suzuki Hayabusa. So hopefully this video was useful to some of you. As always, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more install videos, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.